Binomial distribution problem. This is the formula for binomial distribution, and the problem is if there are 20 laptops and there's 8% of them not working, what is the probability that 5 out of the 20 will not work? So the first thing you have to establish is which is success, which is failure. So not working is the success, and working, if the probability of the laptops working, is actually the failure. What that means is when you plug all this information in, n is the total number of laptops. So you plug that in, 20, and then n minus k, 20 minus k is the success. It's the number of successes. And we established that not working is the success. Not working is the, it's the success. So 5 will be k. And then k here is 5. And then p is probability. So this is just p in decimal form. And then for k, we plug in 5. And then 1 minus 0.08, which is p. And then n minus k. And then n is the total, 20 minus k, which is 5. So 20 minus 5. So after you do all the math, you get 0.0145. So the next part, what is the probability that all of them will work? So for, once again, we established that not working is the success and working is the failure. So if all of them work, that means that it's actually all failures, because if not working is the success, then working means all of them failed. So even though that's confusing, hopefully this will clear it up. So we have the total number of trials, n, which is the total number of laptops, 20. 20 minus k. K is success. Success, we established that this is success. So if all of them work, that's a failure. So that's going to be 0. So k will be 0 in this instance. Because here it said 5 will not work. So it was agreeing with what this was saying. So then we do put k as 5. But here, since all of them work, it's against this. It's not following it. So it's a failure. So it's going to be 0. So k is 0 here too. And then the probability is 0.08. And then k is 0. And then it's going to be 1 minus the probability, and then n minus k. So it's going to be 20 minus our k, which is 0. It's going to be 20. And so the answer will be 0.1887. Now the last part, what is the probability that none of them will work? So this, none of them will work, is a success. It agrees with what the problem is saying, 8% not working. Because it says none of them will work. So that means if none of them will work, we have all successes. It completely agrees with the question. So 20, right? 20 trials, because we have 20 laptops in total. So 20 in total. And then 20 minus k, which is our success. And our success is not working. So it's going to be 20 minus 20, because k is 20. And then 20 here, because this is also k, and then the probability is 0.08, and then k is 20, like here, and then it's going to be 1 minus 0.08, and n minus k. So it's going to be 20 minus k, which is 20. 20 minus 20 is just 0. And so the answer for all of this will be 1.15 times 10 to the negative 22. So the biggest thing to remember for binomial distribution is to establish a success and a failure. So not working here is actually a success, and working is the failure.